Right, we have a very interesting goodie here from Russia, which is going to add to, hopefully, our Einheitsdiesel collection of parts. Look. Let's see what's there. Look at that condition. Yeah, this is a section of the tailgate for the Einheitsdiesel. Not all of it, but most half of it. We've got the other half coming. There's a big central section, and if I'm not mistaken, which way does it go? That's the hinge for the door. Oh no, I've got it wrong. Here we go. It sits like that at the back. So there's a long beam section here, and then another side as well. And that's the back. Yep. And the door, we've just managed to secure a door as well. And that's coming. And then the thing that will be needed after that are the sides. But that's in nice condition, very, very solid for a lorry. I don't know how thick that is.